Hey guys, John here of Vapor Honing Technologies coming at you today with another fantastic, fabulous, awesome video that we produce for you every single day here at Vapor Honing Technologies. And today's topic is why high-performance engine builders, that's why I'm holding this valve here, why high-performance engine builders use vapor honing in their engine building process. And you may or may not know, but a lot of the high performance engines that are being built today and raced today are using this revolutionary process. And one of the many reasons why is it's such a fantastic, quick and easy cleaning, preparation, and finishing process, all wrapped up into one simple package. That is the number one reason why they're using this. Number two, they're trying to get away from this absolute dust mess nightmare that a lot of these dry blasting cabinets that they've used in the past create. Whether that's dry blasting with a glass bead or aluminum oxide or using a dry soda blast, they're trying to get away from that dust mess that has been created all these years and they've been breathing. So those are two huge reasons. Also, number three, a lot of the high performance engine builders in the world here today have realized that this is an aerospace derived process, meaning that it was developed for the aerospace industry. So let's face it, if it's blasting and prepping parts in an airplane or a jet that we fly and use every single day, both you and I as the customer, it's great for high performance engine building, things that go super fast across the ground. So it is a very high-end process. That's what vapor honing is for. We have tons of adjustability with what you need. Either it's coating prep for some of the thin film coatings, or it's actually just general everyday cleaning of these engine parts, getting them back to that high performance condition that they need to be in. And also another big key component here is doing crack inspection and fatigue or wear inspection on these parts. So a lot of people need to have the cleanest part possible, and that's where vapor honing comes in. And one of the biggest things that I learned back in the day, and this was from an aerospace engineer, was that wet blasting is fantastic for cleaning before prepping or before inspection. And one of the reasons is sandblasting actually smudges and hides some of those imperfections in the surface, whereas wet blasting doesn't do that because of the less damaging and less impact cleaning process that we have. So we can actually get in there and clean, and then you can inspect for damages and cracks in the future so that you have better performing engine parts and better performing engines, which in turn transitions over to more money because you can make more money, build more engines, do it faster, do it better. So not to mention the fantastic, beautiful results. If you want something that looks better than OEM, guarantee you, if you're seeing this right now and you're seeing engines that look better than OEM from some of your competition, or maybe a company you're going to buy an engine from, they're probably using a vapor honing process. So as always, hopefully that answers your questions. If you have more questions, please call or email the sales team. If you have some comments you want to share, put those in the comment section below. We'll try to handle those for you in future videos. But as always, thanks for watching.